Hello, good day. This is Eric Okomado, your favorite freelance coach. This video is not for you if you are earning more than 800,000 naira monthly. See, this video is not for you. Please shift. If you generate more excuses than Nigeria generates electricity, this video is not for you. If you know you are a baby girl for life, you just want to relax and be taken care of, this video is not for you. If you know you are allergic to hard work, you like soft life, you are a thief, you are looking for big money without working, this video is not for you. Okay, folks, since they are gone, come, gather here. Let me share a secret with you. Today, I want to speak on how to kickstart your freelance career, how you can start earning in hard currencies, how you can start earning in dollars while you are in Nigeria or wherever you find yourself. This video is very relevant for my African folks, wherever you are in the continent. You see, Africa has about 33 currencies. Different countries in Africa, they have different currencies. And of these currencies, there is none we can term hard currency. So what that means is that if you have any means of earning in dollars, I'm not talking about Zimbabwean dollars, I'm talking about US dollar or Canadian dollar or the British pound sterling, see, you can get ahead. See, you are a big boy, you are a big girl. So today, I want to teach you how to kickstart your freelance career. Freelancing is one of the ways to earn in hard currency because you are offering services to people overseas and in return, they pay you in foreign currency. When you convert them to your local currency, that amounts to a lot and it can change your life drastically. I am a freelancer, so I'm not just speaking based on what I study in the internet. No, I'm speaking from experience. And I can tell you of the many benefits one can get from working as a freelancer. Don't judge me, I like money. One that stands out the most is the fact that you can earn some good income because you are earning in foreign currency. So many persons are excited to start their freelance career, but they don't really know how to go about this. At times I receive calls from people who want to quit their job, who are retiring, who are tired of what they are doing, who are not comfortable with what they are earning in their 9 to 5, and they want to go into freelancing, but they don't really know how to start. So this video is for you. If you are not afraid of hard work, you are really interested in putting efforts in a particular direction, learning what it takes to succeed, this video is for you. So how do you kickstart your freelance career? The first step you need to kickstart your freelance career is for you to imbibe the right mindset. It all starts from your thinking. Cultivate the right attitude that you can do it. Don't allow anyone to talk you out of it. If you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you are also right. So you need to cultivate the right attitude. If you want to go into freelancing, you must be able to look at yourself in the mirror and say, Eric, man, I can do this. I have what it takes to deliver excellent services to people all over the world. Even if I don't have what it takes, I have all it takes to learn what I need to deliver these services to people all over the world and get paid in foreign currency. So you must start with the right attitude. The next thing you must understand if you are going to freelancing is that the market is so broad. You can't do everything. You must pick your niche. Select an area of interest and focus on that area. Go through the hotcakes right now, the various areas you can focus on and earn money, and pick something of interest, something that aligns with your goal, something that aligns with your interest or your skills, and develop yourself in that direction. The third thing is for you to build and optimize your brand. You can do this by learning. You see, as a freelancer, you are the brand. You are marketing yourself, your personal brand. You are developing yourself. You say, this is Eric Okomado. I am a top-rated executive assistant. I am the brand. So how do you build and optimize your brand? Build your brand by learning what it takes to function as a content strategist, to function as a software engineer, to function as a social media marketer, to function whatever it is, and as an account manager, whatever it is, you learn what it takes. That is how you build your brand. You can optimize your brand by volunteering. You volunteer for internship, study people, work for people. Don't focus on money when you are starting. Eventually, the money will come. So learn to volunteer so that you can own your skills. You can gather the requisite experience that you will use to succeed when you start working for people. The fourth thing is for you to set a portfolio that makes you to stand out from the pack. There are different freelance platforms. Choose from any one of them. I work on Upwork. I have a Fiverr account. Some people use Crossover. Some people use People Per Hour. Some people use Glassdoor. Some people use AngelList. Some people use, just name it. There are a lot of platforms. Even LinkedIn is a freelancing platform. So pick either of this platform or 2 or 3 of this platform and build a portfolio. Your portfolio basically shows your skills, your education, your experience, information about you, and samples of jobs that you've done previously. That is your portfolio. You need to creatively build that. Put an effort to it. Look at what others are doing and build something that will enable you to stand out from the crowd. The fifth thing is for you to get the prerequisite gadgets, the tools you need to work, and the environment in place. As a freelancer, one of the things that you must get is a laptop for you to work. So you need to get a laptop. It does not mean that you need to buy a laptop. You can start by using a sibling's laptop. You can start by using your parents' laptop. You can start even by using a friend's laptop. Eventually, when you start earning, you can afford to buy yourself a good laptop to continue earning. The tools you need a source of internet connection. You need to buy data, as the case may be, so that you can have access to the internet. The environment you need, you can either look for a co-working space or you look for a clean corner of your room, convert that place to your own office, and you have an environment to work. So you get to work. This is what you need if you want to kickstart your freelance career. This is the sixth thing, and I think this is very important. You must learn and master the art of pitching. Because beyond having the skills, beyond having a portfolio, you must learn how to sell yourself. I told you earlier that you are the brand. You have built this brand. You have optimized this brand. Now you have to sell this brand. So you must learn the art of pitching. On Upwork, it is called proposal writing. You must learn how to pitch. Pitching goes beyond just writing that proposal. Pitching also comes to bear when you are selling yourself before a client in an interview session. I have done a video on how to prepare for interview and how to take interview with your client. You can go also and watch that video so that you learn to sell yourself. The last thing I think is very relevant if you want to kickstart your freelance career is to set a competitive price and learn the art of negotiation. Do a research. How much do account managers take on Upwork? How much do they take on Fiverr? So you can fix your price around the market average. Do a research. How much do content writers bill on Upwork? How much do virtual assistants take on Upwork? Do a research and put your price, your rate around the market average and learn to negotiate, because eventually a client will be interested to bring you on board but is not willing to offer what you have stated as your rate. You must learn to negotiate, because what you cannot take, you have the privilege to negotiate. Negotiate effectively and start closing deal. You see, the Chinese have this saying that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you have always had interest to go into freelancing, but you have not started, perhaps you had that interest 2 years ago, perhaps you had that interest 5 years ago, or 5 months ago, I tell you the best time to start is today. How about you follow this simple step and you start your career as a freelancer and start earning in foreign currency? Don't worry, you'll thank me later. I hope you find this video useful. Please share with your friends, share with your family members. I'm creating a community of people who assist one another to become the best they can ever be and contribute meaningfully to society. And if you are interested, see, the party is happening. Join right now. You can click the WhatsApp link to join my closed WhatsApp group, because that's where I'm building the community, that I can share information that is relevant to you at all time about freelancing, so you can benefit and start making a lot of progress in your freelance career. Before I see you again next, please do well to take care of yourself and stay out of trouble.